The day 7. This is the last day of the 7 days graphic design challenge. So in this section, I'll be showing you guys how to manipulate background, just like background to be specific for your design. So the app we'll be using for this manipulation is called Pixellab. So this is the app. So if you don't have it, you can just go to your Play Store and download it. This is the app. It's called Pixellab. So let's just go into today's tutorial. So tap on your plus button. Now before you come here to do anything, ensure you've downloaded the image that you will be using for your background manipulation. So just tap on your edits, and if you've not gotten my beginners or designer course, then there's something you're not getting right in 2026. In that course, you'll be able to get any background that you want from any image, able to enhance your pictures or design. In that course, you will learn how to also enhance your design after you're done designing. So let me just quickly go to my pin where I downloaded multiple backgrounds or stuff like this. Then let me quickly work with let's just create a worship flyer, a worship this thing. So let's go with this. Now let's say for instance you want to create something like this. Let's change the size to something we can relate with more. Let's say square. Okay, so something like this. Now you are being given this kind of background to create a church flyer, something like that. So now, first of all, the background you're creating, the theme of any program, now specifically the theme of any church program determine the background you create. But this is what most of us don't know. That's just the psychology behind it. So if you're doing a praise background, you shouldn't be using a worship as image. You're passing a wrong, because everything on your design speaks. Your background speaks a lot. So let's say we are doing a worshiper background or a worshiper design actually. Now, if you don't know how to download image, or if you don't know how to download resources, in that course also, you'll be shown how to download resources. So just get the course. So now this is a worshiper's image actually. Are you seeing now? So all I need to do now is to ask myself, where will I place this thing that will be visible? So the essence of placing this image is to make it more visible, to be shown, to communicate that okay, this thing has to do with worship. So I can decide to crop it and take the part that I need, which is this part. Then I'll just increase it. I say okay, let's position it at the left hand side of this background. Then the next thing I will do is I will go to my blend. Let me show you the blend. Tap on my blend. Then in my blend you will see screen, multiple, darken, overlaid, add, and the rest, different version. Now one of the secrets of every background is contrast. As a graphic designer, you should know what is contrast. If you don't know, then that's an assignment for you. Go and search it. What is contrast? So now, if you observe, okay, let me just break it down. It's just the difference between two elements to create focus. So if you observe, there are designs, you will see some parts of the background is a little bit darker and some parts is lighter and lighter. What they did there, they just created a contrast between these two things. So ask yourself, should the image be darker? The background is dark already, so let the image be lighter so that the background will pop out. Then let me see, let's tap on screen. Okay, multiple, you see dark, darken, more darker, lighting, more lighter, overlaid, dark, add, dark. So now in this case we'll work with screen first. Then now the edges are showing. All you need to do, tap on your erase, then increase the size of your brush, your opacity, reduce it, your hardness, you can just leave it like that. Then erase the edges of this image now. so that it will fit in the background very well. Or you can come here, reduce the opacity, and just just touch it a little bit. Then this image is still showing it's still giving that active vibe. So you have two options at this point. Is either go to your opacity and reduce the size a little bit, which will make the background to be darker, or you go to your blend, go to your effect and blur the image. Anyone, you can just blur it by 5. And so yeah, blur works very well. Now you leave it there. Now that's where the contrast is coming from. Now you also go again, look for another image again that also speaks about what you're doing, not image that will fight each other. Look for another image. Let's just see what image can we put there to make it more vibrant. So we can come here and say, okay, let's use this image. Let's use this Oga. You see now, just to make it more lighter. Then we can say, oh yeah, screen. Then screen. Now what we do is just try all of the effects to see the one that best suits what you want. So overlay actually worked out very well for us this time. So the essence of putting all these things is to make your background not to be empty, to make it look professional. Are you seeing? Then we can leave it like this now. You see that there's a difference, like this. You see that this one has actually popped out. Then for those of us that love adding lights, effects and the rest, we can just decide to add one light effect at this side. Before you create any background, have a mental picture of what you want to create. It will help you. It will save you from a lot of trying, testing. It will save you from that. Then you can bring your light effects here, turn it to screen, then you drop it somewhere here, or you can as well just drop it in the middle depending on how you want it to be. But let me just drop it at this side here. This light effect is so active, so what do? I will go to my effects, then I will blend it by 15. Are you seeing? I'll blend. If I can go again as okay, let me blend it again. It seems too active. I just wanted to just show a little bit, not this active. Then I can just come here and drop the light effects here. That's in the middle, or drop it here. Now let me drop it here. Then just come to the down. Just come to this part and brush it like this. Then take this part off. Are you seeing? Then we've actually created a worship background. So you see now, drop it like this now. Then you lock it, tap on your good, you save your worship background. So this is how those background that you download on Pinterest are being made. So thank you for following all these sections from day one down to this particular day.